Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about how to cancel dollar tree order. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all I want to show you something like first of all you need to keep this thing in your mind. If all the sales on dollartree.com are generally final, so the cancellation is not possible. Okay, if you have purchased any order on sales, then it is not possible to cancel your order. Okay, so if we talk about like the second thing, that is like order status. Okay, if your order is like it's being shipped or during shipping or after delivery, the cancellation is possible, but you need to contact with the customer support team on this number you can see on your screen. So this is the number you need to contact on this number, and when you call on this number you just need to mention each and everything related to your order. But keep this thing in your mind, you have your order number, okay, and other relevant details related to your order. So keep ready these things, and you need to call on this number. And once you call on this number, when you connected with the customer support team, you need to clearly explain why you want to cancel your order and why you have a concern about your order. And so after listening your issues, and after you when you try to give your reasons why you want to cancel your order, so they will cancel your order and they will provide your refund. Okay, so this is the method. This is the only easiest and the fastest method by which you can cancel your order very easily. Okay, and there is another method, that is like via online. You can visit into your account where you have placed your order, and you can also cancel your order in your, you can say like, order section. If you don't have any kind of order cancellation button, it means you are not able to cancel your order via online. You can use this calling method, and then they will cancel your order. Okay, so this is the only method by which you can cancel your dollar order. So if you have any issue, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video, and bye bye.